Loans have been low for months, and a lot of people have been refinancing their houses.
Yeah, but what effect has the whole pandemic had on our mortgage rates? Chris Buckley shows us what to expect.
Mortgage lenders are seeing record numbers of people trying to refinance, and that's having its own effect.
When we saw coronavirus make global news, interest rates went down. When we saw it make U.S. news, they went down. But then something interesting happened that a lot of people aren't talking about, and the mortgage industry faced a huge capacity issue. There was $5 trillion of mortgages trying to be refinanced. In a normal year, our industry does $3 trillion between purchases and refinances. So it was impossible to try to process $5 trillion in 1 month. It was going to break the system. So investors across the board raised their interest rates.
Right now, she says if you're looking to refinance, contact your lender, get all the paperwork done, and be ready to wait a bit.
Right now may not actually be the best time to lock a rate. We need to let these capacity issues kind of filter out, let the madness die a little bit, let the industry get its footing back underneath them, and then we're definitely headed into a recession. We're going to see great interest rates for a long time.
For those that have been hit hard financially, there's also the option to put your mortgage on hold with something called a forbearance.
Mortgage servicers are already offering mortgage forbearance, and what that means is that you put your mortgage payment on hold. You're not going to not make those payments. The interest is going to be added to the end of your loan. You'll basically defer the payments until a later date when you've hopefully gotten your income back in order.
Some lenders are allowing up to a year for that and are getting the process started much quicker than we saw during the Great Recession.
We don't want anyone to lose their homes this time around. We don't want this to turn into what happened in 2008. So the government, the industry, everyone is working together to try to protect that from happening.
Working long hours to offer individualized advice. Covering the story, Chris Buckley, 2 News.